In this clip, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice for a company. So select, first of all, obviously go to companies, and then select the company in any way you'd normally would, either by selecting in the searching in the search area up here, or going to a particular company area, what have you. Having got the company, open the company record up, and then in the list of activities down here, there's one called Invoices. If you select Invoices, you'll see here that there aren't any invoices yet created for this company. So now add a new invoice. Now in here, the invoice ID, don't worry about, that's automatically generated, but give it a name that means something. So maybe something like management fees for consultancy on export or something. There we go. Again, the rest of this is pretty well at the moment. You don't have to worry about, except for price list. As you see, it's got a star here, so it is required. Even though you're not going to use it, you need to select a price list. So select the Cotswold one, for example. Now, save at this stage. That's important. You can't add any products until you've saved at that point in time. Now, having saved it, you can click on Products and add new invoice product. Now, if you want to use an existing product from that price list, you can do, but in this case, we're going to write in the product. So click on Write In, and in here, type what the product line is. So consultancy management fee, for example. That field can be quite long, so type in something that means that is relevant. In here, let's say you charge £750 a day, for example. So type that in. And then in the quantity, again, notice there's a star there. Even if there's only one, type in the one. In this case, we're going to suggest you do 2 days of it. So now save and close that. So in here now, in the invoice line, you can see that we have one line in here for consultancy management. You could actually add more invoice lines, but that's fine. Okay, so now we go back to the general area, and in here now, if you click on Recalculate, you can see now that the detail amount is £1,500. And if you click on Recalculate again, at this stage, it now calculates the tax, which I've left at the standard T1 rate of 20%, gives me the total amount. Now that is the invoice created. If we then save that and then run the report there is for Invoice. Click on Invoice, and there we go, the invoice is generated. At this point here, you can either save that then as a PDF file, or you can print it out. Obviously, if you're going to send the invoice by email to somebody, then you're probably better saving it as a PDF, save it on SharePoint or onto your local desktop, whatever have you, and then email it from there. If you want to print out locally, either then print out the PDF or click the print file. Okay, hope that was helpful.